kurwa se kaunti ya Nyamira abo bachora bose bachagete ritkori goro kurututa magendro hari arwetwe bosayeto bokonyene nsia kuwait me kaunti yo ya Nyamira nigo ritkori arero banekia etaro ase chibunge ibere ya Kitutu Masaba na boigo eria borabu bagokwana ase skuru ya secondary ya Geke egotoka ase ward ya Magombo ense mo ibunge ya Kitutu Masaba abajumba abo bakorogwa no mujumbe Clef Gisairo nigo bono batebire ogo onchokana na kwabo nigetambo kirogyo kwenekia buna nkoroto bale chi project icho cyanyatko bachiko chakiwa ase korende batogirie abanyakonda bali babegete omukia bukwenekia chi project icho nchichikoera bwango korengana nebiro biri bibekira sense meyo.
Yesterday tukakora kwa North Mugrango, West Mugrango. Lero tolevo Kitutu Masaba sumuske Clive Gisairo. Enere skulu entangani tuanseire kurukugeke secondary school. And une korolekane contractor ya bege tuane contractor wa the chinguru korolekane emanyetinke wende okora. And we are so happy, especially because of the solid building elio Moscow ya agachire gaiga. Igo nkurutora atwenda saurukia bira twende berege twende chiskuru chinde cha Kitutu Masaba taraenda gochiburapo. So egange nene go se mission ite nene kapsa. No go check in each consultancy chiri go supervise because na bale project managers amona abantu kure ministry watu metuno mo PS na boigo no waziri elinde tomanye kere project ya irirenga kintambe sana ukora koera.
We came here as members of parliament from Nyamira just to play our role of oversight. There is no money that has been lost, not a shilling. Ni ile kwamba contractors wengine hawajaweka bidii vile inafaa katika zile contract ambazo walipata. Sisi kama wajumbe, we didn't give contracts. They were done competitively through the ministry. Now, role yetu kwamba the right thing is done. Na vile mheshimiwa amesema, umeona contractor kama huyu nyuma yetu, unaona kweli kazi inaendelea na ni kazi nzuri. Kuna mahali tutaenda unapata contractor ni mzembe, vile tulitembea na nyinyi jana mliona. Kwa hivyo tunataka kujua ni contractor gani anafanya kazi, ndio wakati ministry inafanya report yao wanaweza ona kwamba huyu contractor hataweza kumaliza hii kazi, watumie their systems and their legal procedures kuona kwamba contractors who can finish this project can be awarded or can be retendered, those sites can be retendered to have mwananchi get benefit for their money. So there is no money that was lost. Kindly let us not be sending messages. We didn't storm the county commissioner's office. We paid him a courtesy call.
Mna into bachumba bantu bagukagira ngabono na bantu tokuminyokia baibiboka. Na hende na batokora ate twacha gukore gasiengia. Of course yes tokonyoro montaro muibi goikatomo minyoki. Lakini igoro mna twachagete ine mirimo yaitu mwatochorereta bananchi. Elinde twete korore mirimo yaino munegenderete astokonyorere buya twabapongeza nde twabataiba koromuki. Ase batarachaka torike report elinde bali batatagete ko chaka miremeye twaguchi contractor chire serious muno yogekega baisa ko retender some parts twaje tokanyore bintu bikorira bitali bironge it will do as good.